A very beautiful and cheerful good morning to all of you. My name is Kalpana. I am from Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. First of all, I want to say thank you to my mentor, Mr. Deepak Sharma sir, who gave me this golden opportunity to express my view on women empowerment. Why we need a women empowerment? We know that the situation of India is a very critical, and women empowerment is a very critical topic for them. I choose that because in present time India has a harassed women suffering from lots of violence, like a domestic violence, like a emotional violence, like a sexual harassment. We hear that nowadays we hear in Kolkata case, girls are not safe from there. If we doing harass women, so how do women grow up in our country? How women are rise their hand? Then let's talk about, when I talk about the NHFC National Health Survey, 29.3% women are suffering from the domestic violence, 29.3% women are suffering from the sexual harassment. What is this? Can we explain what is a harassment? Harassment is like when someone harm to us. And in India, we know that India is a male-dominated country. Male are suppressed the women because they said that women's only for domestic chores, but women only not for only the domestic chores. Women have a backbone of our family. Women's backbone for our family, because she carry lots of burden of their family. And women's, if I talk about the women, मैं भूल नहीं सकती पीटी उषा को, मैं भूल नहीं सकती रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को. These ladies are very powerful. So why we have no privilege there? People said that women have a privilege, but we have no any privilege here. Then I talk about existence. People said women have no existence, but why women have no existence? Because our law and our thinking is negative for women. If I think a positive for women are rise. Women face lots of problem, and we know that lots of women staying in your home because of condition, because they see a condition of the environment. Our environment is not good for them, and she not feel very safe here, and they staying in your home. Their study is live on because of environment. What is our duty as a good citizen? It's our duty, as it is our responsibility to make them environment very healthy for them. If we feel them safe, if we do feel them safe, they can do everything. But if we do harass of women, so women, how can they grow up? How can they ahead? So it's our duty as a good citizen. It's our duty make them environment healthy, make them environment rise, and give the responsibility, take the responsibility of by self. Not only for women. Women, it is not a servant. Woman is an iron lady. They have a voice, but they can't fight. They choose a they want good people of their environment, but our society give them bad manners. Thank you.